Well, sugar does make the teeth fall out. Do I need bread for these?
On my Britney, oops, I hit again. Damn, I'm on my DJ Khaled, we the best. Damn, we rolling hella deep. I feel like Adele.
She's getting flashbacks.
Jag är sikker tafel på den. Bruce Bogtrotter.
The lifeguard reaction.
Yeah. Oh my God!
Scared the man right out of him.
It's like 700 people in here.
I don't see no 700. You don't see.
It's you don't see it? 700 right there. Yeah, 700 people right there. What you mean, Taya? Look.
Do that shit again.
Do what?
Do that shit again.
Do what?
You know what you just did.
What I do?
Do that shit again and see what happened.
But for real though, when I was at school earlier. What you doing, bruh?
Why'd the bird turn like that?
First, I thought I was high as hell. But then I looked again. There's really a bird next to me, man. What's good, bro?
How does it go so wrong?
Look at the state of my feet. I've got to try and get over there.
Did you have a nap today? I did! But you need one. No, I don't!
It keeps getting worse.
Oh my gosh, what is this? So us teachers would never ask you students to do anything we wouldn't do ourselves.
He got lucky, real lucky.
Oh, dude.
Why can't we throw it?
Oh my God!
My daddy has a gold tooth. Wow, gold tooth? My dad has a gold tooth. Look, my dad has diabetes.
Alright, tell me again. Oh wow, tell me, what did you make?
I made the smoothie.
Ooh.
I made the bacon.
Sophie, what did you make?
I didn't make anything.
The other day, but I said, I don't know if she gets put down enough.
Oh my God! Oh God!
What happened?
Lucy just swung in the swing.
Lucy did?
That's what I'm gonna do when someone tries to scare me. I'm gonna.
Eve! That's my volleyball! Well, got it on video.
Water's cold.
Casey, enough.